Interested in an online postgraduate qualification in GMP? Wondering what online study at UTS would be like? Let's take a look. UTS uses the market-leading online study tool Canvas to deliver virtually every element of the study experience to online students. Let's sign on and show you what it's like. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with the courses or subjects that you're enrolled in. When you click on a course, you'll see recent announcements from your lecturers and a subject introduction including a video. You'll also find a list of the modules that make up that subject. To get started, the Canvas platform introduces you to your teachers and outlines the subject, how you'll be assessed, what's expected of you, and provides other resources to support your study. Each online subject is broken up into weeks. Each week starts with a check-in and progresses through structured online lessons. The check-in summarises your tasks for the week and what you need to do. The online lessons consist of a mix of text and interactive content, like this History of GMP timeline and this overview of international GMPs. A major focus of online postgraduate qualifications in GMP is collaboration. The online student experience includes many opportunities to interact with other students and teachers. Here is a Quality Alert case study from industry, where each student is required to post a review. Fellow students can then write replies, creating another layer of learning through discussion. The Canvas platform also makes it easy to understand subject assessment. You will be presented with a range of tasks and be able to review the detailed requirements of each before you start. You'll also be able to monitor your progress throughout the semester, reviewing your scores as assignments are periodically submitted and assessed. Canvas also makes it easy to engage with your teachers and fellow students through online video calls. So while you can study GMP from anywhere in the world, we make sure you're just as connected as any student studying on campus.